The same customers keep coming up: your enterprise accounts, your at-risk renewals, your free trials. Audiences let you define a segment once, then reuse it everywhere to target an offer or scope a rule. Here's where your segments live. Each one is a reusable definition of who, built straight from your customer data. Let's build one. Your enterprise accounts. Start a new audience. Give it a clear name so anyone can tell at a glance who it targets. Then define who belongs. The object is your customer. Pick the field you want to match on, here, their segment. Set it to enterprise, and that's your segment. Every enterprise customer defined in one place. Need to get more specific? Add conditions, region, industry, company size, and combine them with and or. Save it, and your segment is ready to use across the whole platform. And here's the payoff: reuse. Take a win-back offer, a discount for customers you'd like to keep. In its targeting, you pick audiences, so this discount only reaches the customers you choose. That one segment can target an offer, scope a business rule, or drive a journey. Define it once, use it everywhere. That's audiences. One definition of who, reused across your offers, your rules, and your journeys. Build your segments once, and every targeted experience just works.